It's a holiday. I got hoes on hoes and.
Hey, my day ones, it's the one and only day Michelle, and I'm back with another video, another Vlogmas. This is Vlogmas day 5. I'm gonna do a video on why I'm behind, but let's get started. We got spicy catfish and dirty rice. I'm cutting up celery, already being rough. Y'all know how that go. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Y'all, why is so rough? It's been a long day, and don't ask me why I like big chunks. Look, if you've been watching these videos long enough, you know I like big chunks of vegetables, big chunks of meat, I like big, okay? I like big. Now we're gonna take us to bell pepper. I used half of that bell pepper because I thought I was gonna have 2 bags of rice. I only had 1, but I made it work. But you can use as much or as little as you like. I just knew I wanted a bunch of celery and a bunch of onions. And y'all know I love onions. Damn, what the fuck? Wait. I'm gonna cut your finger off. What the fuck? It's so rough. It's okay. Oh my god, I be trying, y'all. Maybe I was thinking about something. And now I'm going to take my ground meat and my hot pork sausage and put all of that and vegetables in the pot together. Some people wait, I don't. Brown it up, then I go ahead with my seasonings. You use whatever seasonings you want. Y'all know I like to throw my whole kitchen sink in there. They go to acid seasoning. But yeah, season it however you like, however much you like. Then go ahead and get it a stir. Then I went ahead and added the rice in there. And then add the beef broth. I kind of like brown the rice a little bit first, and then add the beef broth. And then take you some beef bouillon and add a little bit up in there so you know this stuff is potent. And baby, there the fuck she is. It was so good too, y'all. Oh my gosh. Look at it. It's so pretty. Now we about to fry up these little catfish nuggets real quick. Get you some oil, put it in the pan. Get you some catfish nuggets, put you some hot sauce in there. Get you some seafood seasoning and other seasonings that you like. Season however you want. Get you some eggs, some fish fry. Combine it together. Fry it up. There it goes. I paired it with some green beans. It was so good, y'all. So good. So good. Like, so good. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I am trying to catch up. I will catch up. Ain't no try. But yeah, follow me on all my social media, and I'll see y'all in the next one.